Classic German potato salad. Authentic German potato salad is a beloved dish that reflects the heartiness and rich culinary tradition of German cuisine. Unlike its creamy American counterpart, German potato salad is dressed with a tangy, savory vinaigrette, making it a flavorful side dish or even a light main course. This recipe serves 6 people as a generous side dish, making it perfect for gatherings or family meals where you want to impress with a taste of Germany. Ingredients: 2 pounds Yukon Gold potatoes, peeled and sliced into 1/4 inch rounds. Half pound bacon, diced. 1 large onion, finely chopped. 1/3 cup apple cider vinegar. 1/4 cup water. 2 tablespoons granulated sugar. 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard. Salt and black pepper to taste. 2 tablespoons chopped fresh parsley, for garnish. Instructions: boil the potatoes, place the sliced potatoes in a large pot of salted water. Bring to a boil and cook until the potatoes are fork tender but still firm, about 8 to 10 minutes. Drain the potatoes and set aside in a large mixing bowl. Cook the bacon and onion, in a skillet over medium heat. Cook the diced bacon until crispy. Remove the bacon with a slotted spoon and place it on a paper towel-lined plate to drain excess grease. In the same skillet with the bacon drippings, sauté the finely chopped onion until translucent and golden brown. Prepare the dressing. In a small saucepan, combine the apple cider vinegar, water, granulated sugar, Dijon mustard, salt, and black pepper. Bring the mixture to a simmer over medium heat, stirring until the sugar dissolves completely and the flavors meld, about 2 to 3 minutes. Assemble the salad, pour the hot dressing over the cooked potatoes in the mixing bowl. Add the cooked bacon and sautéed onions. Gently toss the ingredients together until the potatoes are evenly coated with the dressing and bacon-onion mixture. Serve and garnish. Transfer the German potato salad to a serving dish or platter. Sprinkle chopped fresh parsley over the top for a burst of color and freshness. Serve the salad warm or at room temperature to enjoy its full flavor profile. Tips for authenticity: potato selection. Opt for Yukon Gold potatoes for their creamy texture and ability to hold their shape well when cooked. Bacon quality. Use high-quality bacon for the best flavor impact in the salad. Vinegar balance. Adjust the vinegar and sugar levels to achieve the perfect balance of tanginess and sweetness according to your taste preferences. Serve warm. German potato salad is traditionally served warm or at room temperature, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Why it's a classic. Authentic German potato salad stands out for its tangy sweet dressing, smoky bacon accents, and savory onion notes. The combination of flavors creates a harmonious dish that complements grilled meats, sausages, or simply enjoys on its own as a satisfying meal. Its versatility and comforting flavors make it a favorite among food enthusiasts seeking a taste of traditional German fare. Subscribe to our channel for more culinary insights, authentic recipes, and cooking techniques from around the world. Join our community of passionate cooks and explore the endless possibilities of delicious homemade dishes.